Okay, shake your rattle. Shake your rattle. Show them. Yeah, shake your rattle. Yeah, good job, little girl. Good job. Yeah, good job. Shake it. Yeah, good job. Okay, now show me with your tongue. Come on, show with your tongue. Look at Mama. Oh, you're gonna talk? Talk? Talk for them. Talk for them. Come on. Talk. Okay, let's show them the tongue. When I stick out my tongue, you'll stick out your tongue? You want to talk, don't you? There you go. Really? You're going to talk instead? You're going to talk instead? You're going to talk for him? Oh, you're going to show him your hands. I know you love your hands, don't you? Say, I just discovered them. Really? You want to blow bubbles? Show them all the things you can do? Oh. Show them your hands. Those are your hands. Let's not put them in our mouth though. Let's do something else than that, because you could do that all day. Come on. Let's smile. Hi, little muffin. Hi, little muffin. Hi, yes. Hi. You gonna talk too? You gonna talk? Yeah, you're gonna talk. What else can we do? You gonna blow them some bubbles? Yeah, come on. Little muffin. Little muffin. Oh, there you go, sticking out your tongue because Mommy sticks out her tongue. Very good. Very good. Very good. You gonna blow some bubbles for them? Blow some bubbles? Really? Oh, there goes your tongue again. Wow. Wow. Yes, so good. Now we're going to play with the tongue, huh? Yes. What else can you do? Oh! You talk to him again? Just going to be so active? You want to see your whole body so that they can see you kicking? Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Come on. Come you stop every time. Kick, 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 kick. Love the video, Davey.